Hi, I'm Malik Hamza Ikhtiar. I'm thrilled to have you here today. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future content. If you enjoy this video, please remember to like, subscribe and share. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Today we follow Noman as he embarks on a journey to learn how to write a prompt for generating a unique ID formula in Google Sheets using GPT. This is a fascinating process that combines the power of AI with practical spreadsheet skills. Let's see how GPT surprises him with a solution. The capabilities of AI in simplifying our daily tasks are truly remarkable. Noman is faced with a challenge. He needs a formula to create unique IDs in Google Sheets. This is a common requirement for many projects, whether you're managing inventory, tracking tasks, or organizing data. Let's see if GPT can help. Noman decides to ask GPT for assistance, hoping it can provide a quick and efficient solution. He starts by writing a prompt. The prompt needs to be clear and specific to get the best results from GPT. Create a formula in Google Sheets that generates a unique ID for each row. The unique ID should combine a prefix UID, the current date in YYMMD format, and a sequential number starting from 001 for each new entry. The prefix UID helps in identifying the type of data or project the ID is associated with. Including the current date in YYMMD format ensures that each ID is unique to the day it was created, adding an extra layer of specificity. The sequential number starting from 001 for each new entry ensures that even entries made on the same day have unique identifiers. GPT responds promptly. Sure, Noman. Here's a formula you can use: array formula UID and text today YYMMD and text row 2A-1 000. This formula is a combination of several functions. It starts with the prefix UID, then adds the current date formatted as YYMMD, and finally appends a sequential number starting from 001. The array formula function allows this formula to be applied to an entire column, making it efficient for large data sets. The text function formats the date and the sequential number, ensuring they appear exactly as needed. No one is impressed. Wow, that was quick and exactly what I needed. Let's test it out. He enters the formula into Google Sheets to see it in action. Perfect. Each row now has a unique ID. The formula works flawlessly and Noman is thrilled with the result. GPT really came through. This solution not only saves time but also ensures accuracy and consistency in data management. And that's how Noman used GPT to create a unique ID formula in Google Sheets. It's a great example of how AI can assist with specific practical tasks. It's amazing how AI can help with such specific tasks. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue to create valuable content. See you in the next video. Until then, happy learning and stay curious.